A few years ago, robot vacuums were often seen as impractical and overpriced, frequently falling off stairs and getting stuck on rugs. They were more of a novelty than a useful household tool. However, recent technological advancements have transformed them into highly functional devices available at various price points. Modern robot vacuums now offer advanced features such as mapping capability, self-emptying bins, and cameras for enhanced navigation and security. Vacuuming a dynamic household is complex, as these devices must navigate furniture, avoid obstacles, and handle various floor types, from hardwood to deep pile carpet. Hence, a critical feature for full automation is mapping, helping the vacuum navigate and avoid obstacles like furniture and wires. Battery life is also important. Choose a vacuum with sufficient battery life to clean your home, ideally one that can recharge itself and resume cleaning. Many top models offer voice control via assistants like Alexa and app control for scheduling and tracking. The vacuum should effectively pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair, be simple to set up and maintain, and fit your budget. Whether you're tackling pet hair, reducing chores, or just want convenience, there's a robot vacuum to suit your needs. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Shark ION AV751. The Shark ION AV751 is an excellent option if you're overwhelmed by the technology and features of many modern robot vacuums. With this model, you don't need an app to get started. Simply press the clean button and it's ready to go. The internal technology is minimal, as the Shark ION AV751 doesn't map its cleaning path or have AI capabilities to avoid obstacles like cables or shoes. However, it compensates for this with great suction power and a 120-minute runtime. The Shark ION AV751 features a tri-brush system, combining side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on all surfaces. It senses ledges and stairs, avoids damaging furniture and walls, and maneuvers around potential stuck situations, truly knowing your home. You can start and stop cleaning and schedule your robot to clean whenever you want with the Shark Clean app. Use Alexa or Google Assistant to easily make the robot clean at your command in your connected home. It offers whole home, floor to carpet cleaning for up to 2 hours. Since it lacks mapping capability, it may clean the same area multiple times. The Shark ION AV751 does not feature an auto-empty base, so you have to manually empty the dirt and debris into the trash can. This also means that the charging station is significantly smaller than those of many other robot vacuums on the market. Overall, Shark is a well-known and trusted brand in the cleaning industry, ensuring that this budget-friendly option is a reliable choice. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is equipped with AI-enabled visual recognition technology for effortless navigation and multiple map creation. The X10 Pro Omni is designed as an all-in-one cleaning station, combining vacuuming and mopping functionalities. Its mop pads are washed with clean water and dried with 45 degrees Celsius heated air to prevent odor and bacterial growth. The dust bin is emptied into the station's 2.5 liters dust bag, which only needs to be replaced every 2 months. A 3 liters clean water tank provides enough water to mop a 1,500 to 2,000 square feet home 2 to 3 times. It boasts powerful 8,000 PA suction for deep cleaning, effectively removing hidden debris, including pet hair, from carpets in just one pass. The dual mop pads of the Mop Master 2 rotate at 180 RPM with 1 kilogram of downward pressure, easily eradicating stains and leaving floors spotless. When the X10 Pro Omni detects carpets, the mop pads automatically lift by 12 millimeters to prevent them from getting wet. The AIC Smart Cleaning feature enables advanced obstacle avoidance, capable of identifying over 100 different objects such as wires, shoes, and toys, even in low light conditions. Through the app, users can customize cleaning scenarios and set up no-go zones and virtual boundaries with AI Map 2. Despite a decent battery life, which allows it to clean 800 square feet of various floor types in an hour and a half with battery to spare, the X10 Pro Omni's edging capabilities are limited due to its sensitive AI navigation. It tends to spend time avoiding obstacles like shoe cabinets and may leave some major spills for manual cleanup. Overall, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni offers a moderately priced option for those seeking a robot vacuum with mopping capability, although it may require some manual intervention for optimal cleaning results. Number 3. Dreame X30 Ultra. The Dreame X30 Ultra is equipped with advanced features to ensure hands-free operation and thorough cleaning. The vacuum can empty its dustbin, refill water for mopping, and wash its mop and washboard, ensuring continuous freshness and saving time on cleaning. Mop Extend Robo Swing technology allows it to handle messes along edges, deep in corners, and under low-profile furniture up to 1.57 inches. Smart dirt detection, mop rewashing, and floor remopping capabilities help to scrub sticky dirt from floors twice, ensuring a mess-free home. With 8,300 PA suction power, it efficiently picks up heavy messes from both carpets and hard floors. The Dreame X30 Ultra features a removable and liftable mop for personalized cleaning strategies on carpets, ensuring they stay dry and clean. The auto cleaning station base includes a washboard that can be cleaned together with the mop washing, reducing stain residue and manual cleaning frequency. AI action and 3D structured light technology enable the X30 Ultra to identify and avoid over 70 types of objects like shoes and cables. It uses a built-in LED to identify obstacles and clean efficiently in dim spaces and dark rooms. Despite its powerful battery life and effective mapping and cleaning ability, the Dreame X30 Ultra may struggle with mirrored and glass doors. It also tends to lift the mop pads if it senses carpet, which is a customizable setting. Reviewers have noted that while it performs well on various surfaces, it may not capture 100% of dirt, particularly on items like Cheerios, cat food, and cat litter. Overall, the Dreame X30 Ultra is a suitable choice for larger homes with a variety of surfaces. Number 2. Roomba S9 Plus. The Roomba S9 Plus is an excellent investment if you have a lot of dog hair around. As Roomba's most powerful robot vacuum to date, it features a D-shaped design that allows it to clean corners effectively. The dual multi-surface brushes ensure that everything in their path is sucked up, including ingrained dog hair and dirt on carpets. The Roomba S9 Plus is equipped with advanced AI that can recognize and avoid obstacles like shoes, socks, and cords. Additionally, iRobot keeps the device up to date with continual software updates, ensuring it becomes smarter over time. This model includes an auto-empty base that also serves as a charging station. Once the vacuum collects dirt and debris, it is automatically transferred into an enclosed bag, keeping everything securely trapped. The S9 Plus has a smaller auto-empty base compared to the J7 Plus, making it easier to tuck away and blend with home decor. As an iRobot device, the Roomba S9 Plus can pair with the Braava Jet M6 for a comprehensive floor cleaning solution. Key features of the Roomba S9 Plus include 30% wider dual multi-surface rubber brushes, 40x power lifting suction, and dirt detect technology. Despite its higher price and limited battery life, the Roomba S9 Plus remains a top choice for pet owners due to its powerful performance and smart features. Number 1. Roborock Q5 Pro Plus. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus builds on the success of its predecessor, the Roborock Q5 Plus, with a detachable mop pad, stronger suction, longer runtime, and a larger dustbin. It uses LiDAR detection for navigation, ensuring fast and thorough cleaning, covering about 890 square feet in 90 minutes. The app provides regular updates and features like automatic cliff zone detection. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus offers continuous cleaning convenience with its innovative self-emptying system and a generously sized 2.5 liters dust bag, allowing uninterrupted cleaning for up to 7 weeks. This feature ensures a consistently clean home with minimal maintenance. The Q5 Pro Plus allows seamless vacuuming and mopping with its detachable design, incorporating a 770 ml dustbin and a 180 ml water tank, enabling multiple cleaning tasks without interruption. It adapts to any cleaning task. With a robust 5,500 PA Hyperforce suction and dual rubber brushes, the Q5 Pro Plus effectively captures stubborn dirt and pet hair, making your floors look as good as new with every pass. Navigate and map your space precisely with Precise Sense LiDAR navigation, offering quick mapping, 3D mapping, and multi-level mapping capabilities to create optimal cleaning routes. However, on the downside, the Q5 Pro Plus lacks automatic dustbin detection, occasionally leaving dust bowls. Despite this, it remains the best robot vacuum for large houses with multiple surfaces. Designed to fit spacious residences and specific cleaning requirements, the Q5 Pro Plus offers customizable cleaning routines, ensuring thorough cleaning of every nook and cranny. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.